Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Friday. Woo! It is the 17th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are barbecuing. I've been doing a lot of barbecuing since we've been at home. I made some delicious chicken last night. I was proud of it. Might be my best effort yet. And my family and staying healthy. Your good things, I took these from the attendance yesterday. Sweaters and blankets. Those are good things. Fruit, chocolate, bacon, smoothies, cold pizza, and avocado toast. I don't remember who said bacon, but they mentioned that it was both salty and sweet. And it's true. Also, we have drawing and Roblox and Mongolian bush tigers. So those are your good things for today. A lot of people also mentioned platypuses in their good things. And that was on the attendance form I asked you. Instead of asking if you were well or if you were healthy, I asked, are you a platypus? And some of you said yes, some of you said no, some of you made comments about whether you were happy to be a platypus or not. A lot of you mentioned somebody named Percy from some cartoon that I've never watched. So that was in the attendance and that yesterday. So whether you're a platypus or not, thank you for watching my video today. Also, in yesterday's video, I asked you a question. I asked, what's unusual or different about my videos from this week? And to put your answer into the attendance form as well. And no one has noticed that I've worn the same shirt all week long. This is day 5. If you go back to the Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday's videos, I've been wearing the same shirt every day. On one hand, I kind of thought it would be funny and see if anybody noticed, and you didn't. And the other hand, I also thought, I'm not going to do a bunch of laundry. I'm not going to the cleaners. I'm not going to waste more than one clean shirt this week. So, that was what I was referring to when I asked what is a surprise or unusual or whatever. So, today is Friday. This is what I expect you to do today. So today is our catch up and reflect day. Make sure that you, if you're watching this video, you probably also see that I've sent you the attendance form. Make sure that you fill that out. Include your good things. If you haven't done it yet, please go to the link here. I put this on Monday's assignment guide. But if you haven't gone here yet, you should definitely go to the whole school read aloud. Mrs. Laver, Mrs. Smith, Mrs. Wynn, probably other teachers by now, have been reading chapters of a book called The One and Only Ivan. And it's about a silverback gorilla, and it's Greta and Georgia listened to the first chapter, and that's as far as we've gotten, but it's really good. So you're never too old to be read to, right? It's a very fun and relaxing experience to just sit back and, visualize in your brain a story as somebody else reads it to you. So do that today if you haven't done it yet this week. I think it's really cool. Also, finish up on yesterday's work, the reading log entry and your introduction as a new doc, and put that into your shared folder with me, the argumentative writing shared folder. Those are due today if you didn't turn them in yesterday. And also, I've been talking a little bit on Fridays the last couple, or since we started distance learning, about 20% time. And we've kind of reached a point now with 20% time where you're either doing it or you're not. And if we were in regular school, I'd be having you write in a blog, like each week's 20% time progress and how you're progressing and whatnot. And I've decided, if you like that idea of 20% time, absolutely give me updates via email or the attendance form of what you're doing. But I'm not going to make it an assignment. It's sort of a thing that students sort of run with if they like the idea of trying to make a change in the world, or a change for themselves, or a change in their family, or a change in their local community. But if you're not inspired, if you hadn't thought of some great idea that you're really burning to do, don't worry about it. It's not going to affect your grade or anything like that. That's it for today's video. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe. Make sure you turn in those 2 assignments, the reading log entry and the introduction to your argument essay. Watch the read aloud. Stay safe. Have a great weekend.